Toothaches can vary greatly, from mild soreness to an unbearable throbbing pain in your teeth or around your jaws. Some of the main causes of toothaches are cavities, an infection, an exposed tooth root, a cracked tooth, gum disease, a loose filling, or jaw joint disorder. A toothache happens when the central region of the tooth, known as the pulp, becomes irritated or inflamed. The pulp consists of several nerve endings that are highly sensitive. If you have a toothache, it is best to seek immediate advice from a dentist before the problem worsens. You can also try some natural remedies to relieve the pain temporarily. 1. Pepper and salt. Salt mixed with pepper can be of great use when a tooth becomes extremely sensitive, as both the ingredients have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties. Mix equal amounts of pepper and common salt with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly on the affected tooth and allow it to sit for a few minutes. Do this daily for several days. 2. Garlic. Use of garlic can also provide immense relief from toothache. Garlic has antibiotic and other medicinal properties that can be very effective in reducing the pain. Mix a crushed garlic clove with some table salt or black salt and apply it directly on the affected tooth to alleviate the pain. If you prefer, you can chew 1 or 2 cloves of garlic to get relief. Repeat this natural treatment for a few days. 3. Cloves. Cloves have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant, and anesthetic properties that help alleviate tooth pain and fight infection. Grind 2 whole cloves. Mix in a little olive oil or any vegetable oil and apply on the affected tooth. Another option is to dab a cotton ball in clove oil and rub it directly on the sore tooth. Or you can mix a few drops of clove oil in half a glass of water and use it as a mouth rinse. 4. Guava leaves. Fresh guava leaves can also alleviate toothache thanks to their anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties. Simply chew 1 or 2 tender guava leaves until the juice starts working on the affected tooth. You can also use raw spinach leaves in the same way. 5. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is another popular home remedy for treating toothache as it helps numb the pain. In addition, the vanilla has a calming effect. Dip a cotton swab in vanilla extract and dab it on the affected area. Do this a few times a day until you get relief. 6. Ice cubes. Ice can help alleviate tooth pain by numbing the nerve endings. Wrap a small ice cube in a thin cotton cloth. Hold it on your cheek near the aching tooth for a few minutes. If you have exposed nerves, contact with the cold can cause more pain. An acupressure technique that can ease tooth pain is to rub an ice cube between your index finger and thumb for a few minutes.